Sunday. Oh, you're from a power child. Yeah, power child. You're creative. And you're confident. Sunday for you're optimistic. To the butcher. That is all behind a table. That be optimistic, you know. Be a move on they have natural charisma that attract others to them. For a Sunday born, may he so rest in peace. They have natural charisma that attract others to them. They have natural charisma that attract others to them. Yes, natural charisma. They are often seen as the life of their group. So group one, they are seen as the life of that group. They enjoy being in the spotlight. When you are
young, you work hard. You reach certain stage of your life, you work smart. You get to certain stages, so your money had to work for you.
day will come when I will tell my story of how many times I failed, the pain I endured, the sleepless nights, and the hard work I put in. How I was looked down upon, treated poorly, and how I almost gave up but still kept pushing. I didn't know what tomorrow might bring, but I knew that what mattered most was to keep pushing today, hoping that one day I would reach the top. Every small step forward motivated me to push harder and never give up. Sometimes it got so tough that I had to remind myself, this is a test. Life is testing my strength, my resilience, and my ability to hold on. It's testing to see if I'm truly ready for the bright future ahead. When they said, life is the best teacher, they were right. It teaches you lessons you can't learn in any classroom. It doesn't bring out the worst in you. It brings out the best, if you're willing to learn from it. Whatever you're
some may not come from a media. And you mean come from the video. My camera for my professor in English. Now hear me with the book. Daddy, may to my thing, never pay my time here. You say, what I say, no man to my thing. Our brother camera for. No man yet to my Mexican. Number 8.